how to add a discount card to Walmart. So I'm going to show you how you can do it for Walmart, the website, and also the app. First, you will need to sign into your account, so you can visit walmart.com or the app and just log into your account. Next, you will have to go to account settings. Once you've been logged in, you want to click on your profile icon, top right corner on the website or the app, and then select account. To add the discount card information, you want to scroll to manage account and find the option to add a discount card. It should be called associate discount card or add discount. Next, we will just have to enter the card information, so input your Walmart employee discount card details. You might need the card number and possibly other identifying information such as your employee ID. And the last step will be just saving the changes. So save the changes and the discount card will be added to your account for future purchases, and you can use it with Walmart Pay. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.